In this video, we will introduce Force Kraken Trolling Motor's key features. Compared to the previous Force Trolling Motor, Force Kraken is designed for bigger, deep V-hull boats. With advanced corrosion protection, it can be used in both freshwater and saltwater. Force Kraken is the most powerful trolling motor on the market. Its brushless motor produces 100 pounds of thrust when operating at 36 volts, and 80 pounds for 24 volts. The pivot-style mount allows for installation where bow space is limited. For detailed installation dimensions, please see the description below. To deploy or stow, hold down the pedal. Then slide and pivot the shaft into the position. There are 3 shaft lengths, 63 inches, 75 inches, and 90 inches. Choose your length by your bow to waterline distance. Please refer to this diagram to select the right length for your boat. By adjusting the depth adjustment collar, you can adjust the depth of the trolling motor. With multi-band GPS and integrated AHRS, Force Kraken provides more accurate anchor locking and navigation in obstructed sky conditions. For example, fishing at a lake surrounded by mountains, or under a bridge or trees. Anchor lock's performance in rough water is improved. With the powerful motor, it can hold better in current, waves, and heavy winds. Anchor lock's performance in calm water is also improved. Instead of spinning the shaft of the trolling motor, it will just reverse the propeller spin. This makes the already quiet brushless motor even quieter. Force Kraken is completely wireless. You can control it from the wireless foot pedal, remote control, chart plotter, or even watch. See the description below for compatible chart plotters and watches. The black version of Force Kraken has a built-in transducer, GT56 UHD. It supports chirp, clear view, and side view. For both black and white versions, you can install a LifeScope transducer using the mounting kit and routing cable inside the trolling motor shaft. All Garmin LifeScope transducers and all 3 LifeScope modes are supported. And that's it. Thanks for watching.